Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll let you know how to set priorities for executing the test cases through TestNG framework. So TestNG is nothing but it's an advanced version of JUnit framework. So the guys who are already working with JUnit, they will not feel much difference while they are using TestNG. But TestNG, in TestNG, we it facilitate executing the program very easily using the annotations. The annotations are very easy. We can execute parallelly the test cases. So here I'll take a scenario using TestNG, like how to set priorities. Suppose we have three test cases. Like first one is launch the browser, right? Second one is enter credential, enter URL, okay, the URL, and the third point is login web page. Okay, so we have these three steps. For them we'll see how to set the priority in using TestNG. Let's go to the Eclipse. We'll start in new, go to others, TestNG project. Okay, so it's TestNG, select a TestNG and next. Okay, finish. Oh sorry, I already did that. Let's clear this. So create a new project, new Java project. Okay, in that project we'll create that class. Okay, so it's a TestNG priorities. Okay, finish. So in this project we'll see. Okay, so click on this new and go to others. Okay, select this TestNG, next. Okay, so now here we'll add a source folder name, select, and we'll go in this project source folder. Okay, now TestNG priority, TestNG package, I'm giving this name, package name. Now TestNG priorities with the class name. Okay, finish this. Okay, now go to this. Why this is showing the error? Because we need to import the TestNG class. Okay, so go to import or build path, sorry, configure build path. Okay, libraries, add libraries. We need to add this library, TestNG library. Okay, now next, finish. Okay, now once you click on this, you can see this library here, so that error is removed, right? And now we can start working on this. So here you can see this is the default thing when we are creating a new class. So let's clear this. So first we'll make a function launch. Okay, so this function, in this function let me print something. Okay, so what was the first step here? Launch the browser. Okay, now we'll create a second function and we'll use the same annotation. Okay, control C, and I'm just for saving the time I'm just copy pasting. Later we can change the function name. So launch and then URL. The second thing is we need to enter the URL. And we'll make it one more function. Okay, again I'll copy paste and we'll change the name, login. So this one is login function. Okay, so in this function login to web page. So now we have these three annotations, okay, in this class TestNG priorities. So we want to set the priorities for this, right? So let's pass the parameter priorities. Priority equals to 1, okay, and for this we can set second parameter, priority equal to 2. Now actually the default priority is starting from 0. So if you are not setting up the priority for this annotation, it means this one will be the first one who will be executed, and then second one is this, and third one is this. If we'll give the priority 2 to this function and 1 to this function, then after this first function, this function will be executed. Okay, now first see the execution, then we'll change the priority and we'll see is it working exactly fine or not. Okay, so save this and okay, so run as TestNG. Okay, go to run as TestNG test. Okay, so this one is completed. Now go to console and check. So here you can see first one is launch the browser, enter URL and log into web page. These three, right? So now let's close this. I want to change the order. After launch the browser, I want to see this login to web page. Okay, which is not the correct way, but just to check the priority is working fine or not, priority parameter. So let's see, this one will change with 2 and this one will change with 1. Okay, now the execution order would be like first this function, then second this, and then third one this. Okay, so the first one will be launch the browser, log into web page, enter the URL. Okay, so let's go to this and TestNG priorities. So this is done, execution is finished. Go to the console, see launch the browser, log into web page and enter the URL. So now this is the order, right? So it means it's working fine. So launch the browser, then log into web page and then enter the URL. So it means the priorities are working fine. So in this way we can set the priorities. So these are this one is known as annotation, like the prefix would be add symbol, and we have many more annotations we'll see in the upcoming tutorials. Okay, so by using this method or like way, you can set the priorities for the execution, right? So that's why that is the benefit of this TestNG framework. Here we don't need to use the main function. Based on annotations, we can schedule the execution of the program, right? So thank you for watching this. Thanks a lot, guys.